How's it guys, and welcome back to brand new videos, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we're in fact doing another holiday series guys. Today we're heading towards Norfolk, which unfortunately is about 3 hours drive, which is fantastic. But guys, once again we do it kind of dead last time. I'm going to show you guys a house tour first day, do 3 days of actual stuff, and then the last day shows of going home. So, don't know why I do enjoy doing this guys. My bag is back, the Star Wars bag is back. This time I've got more stuff. This time I've got my hoodie and my computer all in one bag today, which makes it even harder. I've got the GoPro and that stuff to pack in here, so this should be fun. But guys, I'll meet you there once we're actually in Norfolk. Of course, I'll show you, like the drive and everything if we do stop on the way for anything. So I'll probably get there maybe about 4 hours time, guys. Just for Tesco, just grabbed them. Guys, that's where we're going to be staying. It's called Dove Cottage, so let's get right over to the house door. It's definitely the outside bit here. There is the kitchen. Cupboards. Drawers.
I don't think it was cooked on.
It's the front room. 2 nice big settees. Fireplace. TV. It's supposed to look really shady. What's over here? Just a bookcase. Up the stairs. Looks like I'm going up one of those castles. Here are the bedrooms, and they look very, very small. My god, these are small bedrooms. That's bedroom number 1. It's got a fan and some chest of drawers. Nice chair, actually. And then around here, we have storage, I guess. I've got no idea what's through there. Don't really want to check what's through there. And I'll check what's through there. Wait. Oh yeah, it's not through there. Mirror. Out. Just kind of pull over that. And then oh, that's it. The toilet. That is a toilet. Oh, it's not very focusing very well. There you go. Toilet and very big shower. Oh, shoot. I have no idea how you open that. Whoops, should probably done that fast. And here's the final bedroom. 2 beds there. Have a lamp. So that table. Got some. But and oh, they've left us a free present and left us a free hairdryer. That's so cool. Go. Small little nice little neat and cozy sort of room. Been down there. I don't want to check in here because I don't think there's anything in here. Nope. Ooh, nope. There is a message that says be eco-friendly. Okay, cool. Oops, so just get out of here. I believe that's it. Let's just try to open this door. Oh, shoot. Also, this gate locks.
Shower room is divided by radiators, and it's all about them.
This is cool. Got a bathroom, well, a bath, a shower, which I presume the water runs from across here to there for your shower. Sink, toilet. That is pretty cool. I like this, you know. So guys, that's it for this sort of house tour part. Now, guys, once again, I'm going to Morrison's because we have no food. Let's go to Morrison's. We have now finished here at Morrison's. Time to finally go back home. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. I know it's been a bit of a short video again, but it's just the first video, so like the house tour video. And we'll have 3 actual videos coming up, guys, and of course in the next few days. We have decent internet here, so I will hopefully try and get this out on the actual day. But guys, thank you so much for watching, like I said, and stay tuned for the next 4 parts of the series, guys. So, goodbye.